Hello, my name is Jerome and welcome to my RC construction station. Well, the Lesu Kobelco machine is broken. I was playing with it this morning and the right track stopped working. I did some investigation and this is what I found. And I can't fix it without new parts. Inside this back wheel assembly, right here, let me zoom in so you can see. Right here, this part in the center is supposed to have teeth on it, and all the teeth are stripped off. That gear goes into the center of this gear, and as you can see, all the little teeth are still stuck into the grease that was inside of this hub. So this is shot. It would be nice if I could buy just this center gear, but I think I'm gonna have to buy this whole motor assembly. Let me turn it on. So as you can see, the center of this turns, but there are no teeth to grab onto. So I am now about to go onto the internet to try to find some replacement parts. In addition, the reason that this happened, this front wheel here compresses to keep tension in the track, and a bunch of rocks and other crap got stuck in there so that it would not compress. And when it could not compress, I guess its only other option was to shear the teeth off. And I had to separate the track here in order to be able to disassemble this assembly here. So I will order some parts and repair this, and I'll make another video when that's done. Disappointed, but I still have other excavators to play with, and I will be doing that. All right, that's my update for today. And if you like what you saw, click like and have a good day. Peace.